what I think is happening is that people are realizing that A, CX is inherently difficult, and B, without the application of modern technology to it, efforts to improve that CX are very likely to stutter.
It starts with using AI as a business automator. So let GenAI handle those repetitive tasks, and this frees up talent and allows teams to familiarize themselves with the technology. And so companies must align GenAI with their overall CX strategy, ensuring it complements rather than complicates the customer journey.
And it is clearly a paradigm shift. There are many potential use cases that are cropping up in customer service and in marketing and in broad interdepartmental CX generally. For example, some of them are directly consumer facing. We see that very clearly in the way that self-service has evolved from being a simple routing tool to a much more complex and nuanced conversational problem solving engine. There are a whole host of ways AI is now able to help the agent as well, providing guidance about what steps to take during an interaction or highlighting something the agent may not pick up on, like emotion or sentiment. And that allows the agent to take steps immediately instead of learning about it weeks later. These are happening across the service industry in all the verticals that I've looked at. And on the marketing side, I think you're seeing a great deal of interest in using AI for analytics, especially around sentiment analysis, voice of the customer, and feedback. Going forward, governance issues are going to be front and center for many companies. And that is going to potentially slow down the deployment of certain AI applications. And that downstream from that, concern about some of these issues will keep companies from realizing the value of AI investments. Companies are going to face a realization about their internal analytics programs, essentially that they need modern AI and machine learning components in order to handle the overwhelming barrage of inputs, that as we rely more and more on the use of analytics to provide teams across the business with insights into all sorts of processes, without AI to interpret that fire hose of information in all of its rich complexity, employees at all levels are going to suffer because they literally don't know what actions to take in response. When insights aren't turned into actions, you lose a lot of the benefits that accrue from taking customer experience management seriously. And that's where modern AI comes in, especially when it's related to contact centers and other points of service delivery.